Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to make your background transparent and save it as a PNG form. So with this being said, let's go ahead and open Photoshop. And just so you know, this tutorial will help you in any single version of Photoshop. So if you have the 2022 version, it will still help you. If you have an oldest one like 2014 version, it will still help you. Now let's go ahead and open an image like that, and for example we have here messy. How can we keep only messy and save it with only messy in it? Like for example, if we selected messy, just click on here twice, and from here we can select messy using this tool. Like you can see here, messy is selected. We can right click and click on cut. Now if we saved messy like that as like file and save, and now computer, and click on GPG, it will save him with a white background, which will not help us in our situation right now. How do we keep it like fully PNG and with nothing in the background? We click again on file, on save as, save on your computer, and then we come in here and we choose the PNG form. There is another method to do so, which is click on Ctrl Alt and Shift and S. So Ctrl Alt Shift S, and here it is, this window right here. From here we click on presets, we choose the PNG form, which is the 24th, and then we keep it from PC without anything else, and click on save, and it will be saved on your PC. You can choose the location from here and it will be saved. So that was the tutorial today guys. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.